haircut. I know it's pretty loud, but I'm gonna do it at nighttime. It's not 3 a.m. Guys, do not think it's 3 a.m. It's 8. Sis, what are you doing here?
I said you tell me to put some chicken and rice, and I was cooking in that. I got to the store and I was cooking right in my YouTube channel. It's called Cooking with Emily. You should see it.
You guys, you can comment below. That's weird. So anyway, guys.
Wait, what are you doing here with the
It's just fidget spinner challenge. So at night, because today is, I want to really be special. It's 8:33 right now, so it's not really nighttime. So I just want to do fidget spinner because I like fidget spinner. Guys, if you guys have a fidget spinner, do not go look at it because you're gonna get hypnotized. And also, I tell you all on my other video that if you guys have a fidget spinner, comment below if did I say that or not. But anyway, I'm gonna say it again. I don't know, so I'm gonna say, please tell me, comment below if you guys have a fidget spinner. Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
What?
I just almost hit you.
So
there is 3 rounds.
You mean 4 rounds?
Oh, 4 rounds of this.
Because you know there's going to be 5 more rounds. Hello.
So anyway, let's get started. Okay, here goes. Right, round 1. Okay, guys.
We're going to do a double top.
So we're going to do double top. That's what we call it. So you guys, what we're going to do is that we're going to put
My sister's going first.
So, she's scared sometimes. So, you have to put a number, the first, your fidget spinner. I want to put mine. And then here, then I have to spin it. Then I put this another one. And we're going to see if we can do it. We can do it, okay? Remember, set, go. Okay, let it go. Oh my gosh, guys.
Okay, only like a short distance.
I'm freaking out right now.
Oh! Okay, my turn.
We spin it.
Let's give it my turn.
Yeah, I take that down. Let's see if she can do it. Comment below if you guys can. If you guys are good at like that too. Oh my god, oh god. Oh, she did it too. Look at that.
But mine's going slow and yours is going fast.
Okay, so guys, okay, that's definitely a
complete
tie. I think that's definitely a tie. But you guys comment below. Is it? You can comment below. Me? Hashtag Erica or hashtag Emily. Okay?
Of course, hashtag Emily. You like cooking.
Hashtag Erica, guys.
No! Just kidding. You can vote for us.
Okay, so round 2. Okay, guys, so this round 2 is really specific. So round 2 is who can spin
their
fidget
longest.
spinner the longest.
Yes, sister.
Oh my god. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Oh!
No. 1, 2, 3.
Wait.
1, 2, 3.
Wait.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god, it fell. So guys.
Here, do you want to take my part?
Sure. I think I will take this one. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2.
Wait. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, it just keeps falling.
Here, the switch.
It can't stand.
You can have mine.
Okay, I will have yours, girl. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there it is. Ooh, look at that. Let's see. Look at the longest. Perfect.
I know why we can just switch. If I win, you can have a point. If you win, I get to have a point.
That's weird.
I know, because I don't know why we traded in the first place.
Just so
That was your fault.
Haha.
Just kidding. What are we doing?
I don't know.
Standing here and doing nothing. I should make some snacks.
It's still going on.
Dang. Oh, yours is slowing.
No, No, don't tell me.
This is the moment you have all been waiting for.
Please win, please win, please win.
Wow!
No, please don't go.
I would have probably known about it. I don't think you did.
Guys, this is scary.
I won!
No.
I spin the longest.
That means I'm gonna have a point.
What?
Just kidding, you're gonna have a point. I picked.
Oh. Yay. I won. So anyway, let me give that back. Okay, so round 3, right, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Number 3 is spin the long of your forehead.
Yeah, if you spin the if you go slow on the last part and yours is out, you win. Woohoo!
Okay, guys.
Set, uno,
Go.
dos, tres.
Oh my god.
I can't see where I'm going.
I don't know. I don't know what to do right now. It's really comfortable. Oh, mine's about to be off.
How? Mine's still going.
Mine's done.
I get a one of hot.
She definitely won, I think. Yeah.
No. No.
Oh, let's just go.
I like my power.
Okay, comment below who wants though. Me or her. I think it's definitely her because
I think it's definitely
okay, number
you.
4. Round 4.
The power. Hey
Okay,
guys,
guys,
we're back.
so round 4 is on your knees. Okay,
How do you do
ready? Sit.
Wait, can I do a cheat snack?
Sure.
Because I can't.
Okay.
My feet.
Ready?
Just kidding.
Sit. Ready? Sit. Go. Oh, look at that, guys.
Let me
Mine
do it again.
still spins. Hers right here. It still spins too. Look at that. Mine's like a tornado design or something. If you guys have more like species, like you need to give like the energy, like, you know, force. You need to give your force. Force. That's how you get your power. So you get my force and her force. Comment below which one is better. So anyway, that is he did that. That's my brother. He did like this. So I hope you join this and give this thumbs
wait,
up.
just kidding.
Give this a thumbs up and
And
subscribe.
if you like fidget
Fidget
spinner.
spinner.
Fidget
Okay,
spinners. I have a
subscribe
song
my
about
channel
fidget spinners.
And click the bell button so you know the
I love
our
fidget
new videos.
spinners. Hey, you know I have a song about fidget spinners.
Yeah. I got the fidget spinner.
No, not that. That's guava.
Just gorgeous.
It's called I love fidget spinner because the rum is not more.
Her line is done. Why is it his? What the heck? She's a girl, not a boy. Okay, so anyway, guys. So
I love fidget spinners
guys,
from my head to my toes. I got them from
We will be right back. Okay, guys. So anyway, sorry about that. So anyway, guys.
Boomerang!
I hope you guys like this YouTube channel.
Boomerang!
I hope you like this video. Please
Boomerang.
do the bell button so you will notify our cool videos like this one. So anyway, please subscribe to my friend's channel, please. Please subscribe to Etley. Please subscribe to Etley and see, look, 2 vlogs. So please subscribe it to my 2 friends, Etley and Pa. And Etley and Pa, or subscribe to your channel is okay. Oh my god, Etley, you have only 1 subscriber. So now I'm trying to let everyone knows to subscribe your channel, guys. Please subscribe my channel and all my other friends' channel. Please subscribe their channel so they could have the funnest video. If you guys want them to do, you guys have to tell them in the comments so they will do what you say.
Yeah.
So anyway, all right, it's time to say peace.
You mean a pop?
Peace. King Pop. Allah.